privilege to be here today to present the first awards. Oh, Marcus, you look absolutely divine.
You don't look too bad yourself, Danielle.
Thank you. Okay.
Do you know who else doesn't look bad tonight?
Who?
Theo Mortimer. Are there any Theo Mortimer fans out there? Yeah! We love you, Theo.
Thank
Cutie.
you. Thanks, Marcus. So, we are here to award, firstly, the Bachelor of the Year.
A few nominees we've got for Bachelor of the Year. First up is Samuel Evans.
Ooh. You haven't got it yet, Sam. It's the nominees.
That's actually a nominee,
it's the
Sam.
Nominees. What
Sit
are you
down.
coming up for?
Poor guy.
Our second nominee for this evening is Chris Wethy.
Yes. Our third nominee is Peter Smith.
Woo! And the winner is
Samuel Evans. This man has liquefied the hearts of many a woman in his time. He'll be a sad one to see go, won't he, girls? You know it. Come on.
Our next award for this afternoon is Bachelorette of the Year 2008. The nominees are
Theo Mortimer. He's a popular guy.
our second nominee is Lydia Stewart.
Third nominee is Hannah Johnson.
And I am very privileged to present the Bachelorette of 2008. It is my very own best friend, Hannah Johnson!
Okay, the next award we've
She's
got.
not even taken yet, so you can go for her.
She's not going to say Bachelor for much longer, are you, Hannah? Okay, next up we've got Personality of the Year.
And the nominees are
Chris Worthy.
the next nominee is Suzette Thorogood.
Next up we've got Catherine Lilly.
Hannah Laurie.
And Kathy Wakefield. And the winner for Personality of the Year 2008 is
Chris Webby.
Do your lanky strides, Chris. He's funny, believe me. Okay. Next award is Most Respected Year 13 Student.
And the nominees are
Janie Crawford.
Nathan France.
Rosie Neville.
And last but not least, Tim Capri.
And the winner for Most Respected Year 13 Student 2008 is
Tim Capri.
That's some Dutch blood right there. Most of you are probably related.
Thank you.
Okay.
looking forward to the DVD?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it, but I heard there's a bit of a, you know, we're actually calling it the D now.
The D?
Yeah, the D.
Why is that?
Oh, you know, they edited it so much that, you know, you kind of cut off the D and the V before it and just call it the D.
Oh, I get it! Good work!
Yeah.
Are you looking forward to it?
Yes, and we also want to thank
Oh, yeah.
Tess,
Nathan?
Nathan, Andy, Robbie, Blackler, Reed, Matt and David for their first names. And everyone else who we've missed that put in a lot of work. Lydia, yeah, sweet.
There's so many people, and it's going to be awesome, so... Woo! Yay, DVD! Wait, D.
On the floor.